guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's video is brought to you by WhitesharkTools.com. They sponsored us. They sent us some 6-inch and 4.5-inch cutoff wheels, and we're gonna try them out. And you guys know how it is with me. I'm gonna say they're crap or they're good. I do an honest review, and that's one of the things that Heidi told them is, you know, if you want us to do a review on your tools or whatever, you know, we're not gonna mess around. We're not gonna play it up or nothing like that. We're gonna try this stuff and see how it works and give you an honest review or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what we got. So I don't know how much time I'll have, but I got some big chunks of metal to cut. And I got this one right here. It's like 2-inch or whatever it is. And I marked it off. I'm gonna be using these for like machinist style blocks or whatever. But www.whitesharktools.com, this is their website if you want to buy some of these. And these are their 4.5-inch discs. And these are the 6-inch cutoff discs. And they look, you know, just by looking at them, they look like nice quality. You know, they're not real flexy or nothing like that. They're not cheap filling. And in the past, I've used the Performax and the DeWalt and the Valuable Horse brand and the Black Lightning brand, which is Mercer, I guess. But I've used these, and they seem okay. You know, they're all right. The Harbor Freight ones are okay. You know, you burn through them pretty fast. The DeWalt ones, you know, they're a little bit thicker, and they cut okay. They cut nice. I kind of prefer the DeWalt brand and the Black Lightning brand. Found these Valuable Horse brand on eBay, but now I'm gonna go ahead and try the Whiteshark Tools brand, and I'll go ahead and get one of these in the cutoff wheel. I'll probably start with this guy because I got a big cut to do. So, and we'll try it out, see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 6-inch cutoff disc and try it out. And I'm wearing a mask and I have my gloves. And don't be a dumbass, wear safety glasses. And then I also put in earplugs, and I'm wearing a hat so I don't get my hair all burned and everything else. I am gonna grab my arm protectors though, wherever those are at. I'll grab those before I start cutting. So this might be a long video of me cutting, but I kind of want to feel it in real time how long it's gonna take to cut a piece of this scrap metal that I have here. I think it's like 2-inch. I can check real quick, but before I turn the camera on, I'll try to check that and see what size it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask and stuff on, get all set up, and then I'll start cutting. And I'm just gonna blaze through this thing and see how it does. And I'll try a couple different discs and let you know what my opinion of them is. So I'm gonna be cutting through 1 3/4 solid steel. And it's a solid square rod or shaft or whatever the hell you want to call it. Yeah, that cut through really nice. And you know, I don't know if you can see in the video, I'm messing around with it, trying to see if it, you know, if it's a cheap disc, if it's gonna explode, or if it's gonna go off, you know, sometimes when you get them off center or something, the disc just blows apart and blasts all over the place. And I like it because they're nice and flexy, but at the same time, I noticed that the cheaper models of discs, not from this brand, but other brands, when they're real flexy like that, they just explode everywhere. And this one's nice and flexible, feels good, cuts like crazy. I mean, I can't believe how fast it just cut that. I mean, that's 1 3/4 inch solid steel stock, and it just blasted right through it. And I wasn't forcing it, I wasn't pushing real hard or nothing like that, so that's awesome. I'll do some more cut tests and stuff, and I'll be right back. So I moved this solid stock out here so I can make another cut. But one of the things I did realize is this disc here, I mean, I didn't even hardly use any of it. You can see it's like the disc itself didn't even move, like not even a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch with that cut. And you know, usually a cut that big, you're gonna blast through, you know, most of that disc or all of that disc. So I'm really surprised about that too. That's another plus. Which that's pretty cool. Well, I'll tell you right now, you know, I cut through this and cut through this, and I mean, you can see the disc is not much smaller than what it is. I actually heated up my grinder, you know, grinding with this. That's how much cutting I was doing, but it didn't even hardly move the disc at all. I mean, now it's only maybe an inch to 3/16 of an inch smaller than what it was, and it's like, you know, that's a great disc right there. So yeah, these things cut awesome. And I'm gonna keep cutting and trying these, and I'll try to do some more reviews and stuff as I'm showing them, you know, as I'm using them in other videos and whatever. But really impressed. I mean, honest review, these things are badass, and I'm not just saying that. So yeah, in all honesty, Whitesharktools.com. Go check out their cutting discs. And like I said, they carry, you know, all kinds of cutting discs or whatever, and the 6-inch are awesome. I'll be using the 4.5 inch also, but they cut like crazy. And I can't believe that. I mean, usually cutting something like this, I would have went through probably 2 of those discs or 3 of those small discs. And you know, they cut like, they're awesome. I don't know. I'm really jazzed about that because I'm hoping, you know, that we get some boxes of those from Whiteshark Tools and try them out, and I'll do them in a lot more videos, you know, as I'll plug them in some other videos when we're, you know, cutting some other metal or whatever. But not much more to say. Go check out WhitesharkTools.com. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and we'll go ahead and tag them in the description and put the link and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Later.